parlem o se seguirà.
This is the palace entrance here.
Oh my goodness.
Patan Darbar means old palace. In ancient time there were three kingdoms, Patan, Bharatpur and Kathmandu. Every kingdom has one king. Old palace built in 5th century,
Yeah.
and temple built in 17th century, 16th century, 18th century. Most of the temples are built in here. And outside Darbar Square you can see the Golden Temple. That temple built in 12th century. That's the most oldest temple in Patan. This stone and this Krishna is god of love and miracles. Krishna and Krishna. And this temple is totally made of stones.
3 roofs. Buffalo and Texan from a celebration every October. They sacrifice a water buffalo. Built in the 17th century. Patan king, and if that bird ever flies, the kingdom is over. So far it hadn't flown.
1637.
47.
Yeah.
It's a lucky Buddhist mandala blessed by the Dalai Lama. The prayer wheels. This is the Golden Temple.
It is dedicated to Sakyamuni Buddha, Lord Buddha.
This is the Buddhist temple.
This is built in the 12th century. Oldest temple in Patan. That's a Tibetan monastery. Holy well.
Yeah.
Calendula.
Yeah.
Boxwood.
All right. Buddies.
That's samba.
Samba.
Very good.
Dalai Lama. And these are Tasha's paintings.
Edison? Yeah.
He made that.
He just got big award like yesterday.
Volunteer lay people.
It's called Chorten Leka.
Torten Leka.
Chorten Leka. Using an ice axe. That's classic Himalayan ice axe. Taos, New Mexico. Yeah. Taos, Navajo. Precious thing. color is very
Oh,
important.
they're gorgeous.
The color is very, very important. It's beautiful.
Andy.
Body
Through the
sign
night.
gypsies. Real gypsies.
यो नेपाली है
That was a bound. Watch out, folks.
This is Addison's home, complete with wisteria. This is Addison's office here. And his little shrine. This is the earth spirit here. And how about this one here?
This is Guru Rinpoche, Padmasambhava. That's my man, and the man of this fellow that just got killed.
Oh, I'm so sorry about that.
The hidden valley where this Lama is from, that we have been involved in all these years, is a historical Guru Rinpoche, Guru Rinpoche Ne, which means it's a place that he actually visited. And so it's especially venerated as a historical, important Guru Rinpoche spot. That's why it's all so important to us.
And it's also Kimolung,
Yeah, right.
the place of happiness.
Yeah,
Kimolung.
and it's a Shangri-La. It's a Shambhala. Her rig.
Serving tea. Yeah, go ahead, Charles.
She's an American from New York who was the mistress of King Mahendra's brother Basundara, and
Came here as a newlywed bride.
Yeah.
and on vacation here in really early times, and met one of the princes here, and then when they were going to board the plane, she just didn't board. Her husband boarded and was gone, and she stayed with the prince.
Wow.
Musulman.
Cute. Boy or girl?
Girl. This is a true lotus. I grew from a seed of the tree that Lord Buddha got enlightenment under.
One of these has a story.
You bet.
And this is Foo. Foo! This is Charles Gay's garden in Kathmandu. And that's the blooming wisteria over there. Isn't it beautiful? Buddhist prayer flags. This is particularly interesting. The vintage Mercedes, a 1966 Volvo, and 3 vintage BMW motorcycles. What a collection. This is a little shrine that Charles has put together to celebrate the life of his friend who was killed in the bus accident. And the vegetable garden. Victim of your window.
Yep.
And what is it?
Blue-throated barbet, and its call is.
Here we are at the domestic terminal of Kathmandu, which is the proper way to say it. I love the names of the airlines. Gorka, Cosmic Air. Carry that one. And Buddha.
Rented a car and hired a driver and a bird guide by the name of Hari Sharan Nepali, or Kazi, and drove east from Kathmandu and then south to the village of Hetauda. Small problem. Hello.
Yeah.
Nice.
Hurry.
Hurry.
Lower one is a Tibetan script, right? Upper one Nepali.
And what is this?
This
place?
This is a site where Padmasambhava meditated in the cave.
Wow.
There was a Rikeshwar.
Was there?
Down below the Rikeshwar Mahadev.
The wind horse. Lungta, wind horse of luck.
Red-dented bulbul. Golden eagle.
Roaring Hetauda.
Hetauda. From Hetauda, we proceeded over to the Chitwan National Park, as you can see is on the border with India.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
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 That's riding it up there.
धेरै डिस्टर्बेन्स छ मान्छेको आउटआउट गाडी के
She's not so sure about this, is she?
Yeah.
All right. Well done. We're chasing a chicken. A wild red jungle fowl. Right through the forest. Racket-tailed drongo. Leaf bird. Get him while they're getting good. Pied bush chat. This is the elephant barn.
Sani Kali. If we analyze the name of it, we get certain meaning. Sani means little and Kali means beauty. At the time of birth, she was so cute and little, so we gave the name Sani Kali.
Tack room. Burrowing, lapwing. Ibis. Adjutant Starks.
Lesser adjutant Stark. Greater has that.
Big one is smaller.
It'd be wonderful to come back and see the river really running.
What do your crows use for nest material?
I don't know. Haven't noticed. What do they use here?
Steel.
Failing to find the ibis bill at Chitwan, we drove farther to the west and then north again, and finally east back to Kathmandu along rivers where we thought we might still find the bird. Very good. What's your name?
Govinda Dangul.
Govinda. Good.
Saman la puko ji.
Kaji आउनु काजी यो त मेरो पुरानो साथी नि काजी
So this is the bridge to the West Nepal, huh? Wow.
मान्छेले यु इन्डियन नो भनेपछि खुसी हुन्छन् यस भनेपछि
Down it.
All the way from Europe, all the way from Holland.
1960 for the mountains. 1960? Yes.
Can you get our raft over there?
I will, yeah. There's our raft way over there at the confluence of those rivers. There's our raft.
Blue to yellow. You know what that is? That's the rice seedlings. First they plant a little plot like that.
Fun.
Betel nut? For Trish, that is.